Over the years, Reyeah technology has helped companies quickly shape their brands, promote business development, and achieve profitability goals and value growth. Reyeah technology has served more than 1,000 companies and countless entrepreneurs in FMCG, medical equipment, hotels, cosmetics, agricultural and sideline food, and other industries, and has achieved high coverage in multiple industry markets. In the future, Our will continue to adhere to the business philosophy of integrity, cooperation, and innovation, continue to develop and provide better commercial intelligent products and services to global customers.
Hi everyone, this is Mary. We have combined the latest AI technology application in various files of our products to realize the digital technology applications of AI technology transformation, bringing a new experience to merchants. We welcome people from all walks of life around the world to come to business negotiation. Thank you.